We're rolling. We got Captain Ahab here. How you doing, my friend?
Good.
That, my friend, does not look like it feels good. Why don't you tell us what happened?
Actually had a fishing lure get hooked up in a towel, and I was trying to get it out of the towel and, jerked on it.
Mm-hmm.
And another set of 3 hooks went into my finger, the ones on the other end of the lure.
All right.
So I was at home at the time. I wasn't out fishing.
So you tried to jerk it out of a towel and it jerked back, huh?
Yeah.
All right. You can feel me touching the tip of your finger down here, okay?
Yeah,
and it looks like you snapped the hook off.
I cut it off with a pair of dikes, yeah.
Okay.
It was a fairly heavy lure.
So was it an offshore lure?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you fish for?
I don't.
You don't?
I was going to go with some friends. No, I've been a few times, but not really.
So this was
fishermen like other people.
What was it designed to catch?
I really don't know.
Just something big, right?
Yeah.
All right. So Gummy Gene's going to spray a little cold spray on you right there, and then I'm going to give you a little numbing medicine. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. A little stick sting and a burn. Get right in there. Numb that all up. Hopefully that's worked already for you. We're just calling you Captain Ahab. Okay. We figured you were out from Moby Dick.
Whatever works.
Okay, so, this is a barbed hook.
Yeah.
So obviously trying to pull it out backward is
Right.
the
You can take it.
difficult way to go.
That's where that was the other option.
So sometimes we can pull it back out, but the problem being, of course, that
yeah, I was afraid it was under tendons or something.
yeah, but there's really not any other way to do this except push it through.
Yeah, that's what I couldn't do myself.
No, you really can't. These are not going to be
They're not
strong
good?
enough. Yeah, they're actually folding up. Can you get me a stronger pair?
Can we stop?
No, you can let it roll. That's fine. Keep it right there. Yeah, so what we have to do is we actually have to take the
Just push it,
hemostats
yeah,
and we
bend
we
it
push
and-
it. Well, we don't want to bend it. We want to just
Well,
push it
that's
through
right,
and then
yeah.
grab and pull it out.
Yeah, that's
Give you a
right.
tetanus shot, put you on some antibiotics. So we have to assume that was a dirty hook.
Yeah.
It may have been clean. As far as I know, you pulled it out of the dryer in the towel,
Yeah.
right?
No. Yeah.
So it looks like we almost got it. It looks like it's
Yeah,
kind
it
of
looks
pushing
like
up
I'm
right
starting
there.
to see the point. Yeah.
Yeah, but
It's funny. I keep messing up those fingers. I cut the ends off that finger about 2 months ago.
Really,
I've done it twice.
you're rough on your hands.
On that one, it seems like it lately. Yeah, with a knife, I cut the end off that finger and through this thumb, and it's still tingling.
Your hands are going to start thinking you don't like them.
I'm thinking that one.
Yeah. We haven't done any fishing in a little while. We, my family, we've been moving into a new home, and as a result, kind of, taking up my weekends. But we like to go down fishing at the Gulf and do some intracoastal waterway fishing. We fish mostly for redfish and.
Drink the sword?
I think, yeah, that should. You know what? That's a really good choice. So this tool is not designed for this, but then again, this isn't your average kind of problem. This is actually a needle driver, and we could think of the hook as kind of like a needle. This is going to come on out now. There it is, right there, Gummy Gene. Stay real still for me, Captain. Here comes the barb. I'm glad you can't feel this.
Yeah.
You got tough skin, man.
And that's why I was trying not to do it. I mean, why I wouldn't do it myself.
There it
It
is.
really felt stuck.
No, it was
stuck.
it's definitely stuck.
Look at
And
that.
it's definitely out.
Good.
Can you see pretty well right there,
Oh,
Gummy
yeah.
Gene? So this was the part of the hook that was embedded in the hand, or in the finger, and this is the part that connects to the lure. But Captain Ahab had clipped that part off for us. Thank you for doing that, because we actually did check to make before we got you back there. We checked to make sure we had a good set of pliers.
I was gonna. You might not have that tool.
We did, well, it's actually the tool that we had is they're construction pliers. Let's put it that way. They're not medical pliers, but we would have used those to cut that.
I had used a pair of electrical dikes.
All right, so let me just explain to everybody what we're going to do for you. We're gonna take and put a little bit of betadine and some saline in a little basin and have you soak that for a few minutes and see if we can't loosen up some of the debris that's gotten under the skin right there. Okay.
Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is give you a tetanus update.
I got a tetanus about 2 months ago.
Okay, so when you cut your finger before, right? Okay, so then we won't need to do that. But I am going to put you on some antibiotics. This would definitely be a high risk for infection because it is a puncture wound, right? So we're going to ask you to keep a close watch on that for any surrounding erythema, some any kind of problem with where it begins to be difficult to move the finger. Anything unusual, all right? Okay. It's going to be sore for a few days. It'll throb and that kind of thing, but I think you're going to have a full recovery. You can move the finger real well. Just
that
push
feels
up,
good.
Push
I
up,
think,
push up. There you go. So we didn't rupture the tendon or anything, so that's good. So you're going to be good to go. Gumby Gene, he's all yours. Captain Ahab, thanks for letting us video this for our friends on YouTube.
Appreciate it.
Okay, so in your own words, tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
If I don't take Meta 7, I have absolutely no energy whatsoever and I feel yucky. When I take Meta 7, it gives me enough energy to make it through the day and it makes me feel better.
Now, you don't mind me asking, you do have diabetes, right?
I do have diabetes.
Tell us how your diabetes has done. How have you done with your diabetes since you've been taking Meta 7?
Well, my numbers are absolutely wonderful. Just got tested today and it was 5.4. 5.4. And my doctor Gilmore said it was the help of Meta 7.
That's right.
Those are very well under control.
Wonderful. So you're doing a great job. You're working hard with your diet.
I am.
Okay, and your diabetes is under outstanding control.
Wonderful.
And you feel good because you're taking Meta 7 every day.
Yes.
Gives you the energy you need to do what you want to do.
It does.
You're awesome. Thanks for letting me do a little video.
Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
Also, check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit, available on Amazon for under $20. It's got a leather case and it's compact in size, good for traveling. See link below.